are shining like a money light. Salon, we are flying to the sky.
In the heart of Juba and the sky is so blue, there is a place that is building dreams so true, from tiny steps in nursery halls to future leaders walking tall. Books and laughter fill the air with every lesson, love and care. We learn to shine, we learn to be the best of us at Sellers Academy. Education is the key to life. We got the best teachers in the country of South Sudan. We are leading in every aspect of learning. In debate we are the best, in sports we are the best, in academics we are the best. We got the best environment for learning.
We are shining like sunshine.
Yeah, teachers lifting every voice, helping every heart. Rejoice from every seas to dream so wide. You are the wings on which we glide. We build with knowledge, lead with grace, and face the world, no fear to face. You give us root, now watch us fly. So Lord's Academy, we reach the sky. Every lesson, every day, you help us grow. You light the way, together strong, we will always be the best.
Wow. Lord, we are shining like a sunshine. Lord, we are shining like a sunshine. Lord, we are shining like a money light. Lord, we are flying to the sky. Lord, we are shining like a sunshine. Lord, we are shining like a sunshine. Lord, we are shining like a money light. Lord, we are flying to the sky.
Yo, wake up, bright sunshine. It's a brand new day at the Lord's Academy. We are on the way, books in hand, dreams so high. We are ready to learn, reach for the sky. Classroom light, ideas shine. We are chasing goals, reach new height. Teachers guide, friend by our sides. In this place we take pride.
We are shining like sunshine.
Yeah, from science, lab, swords and books, we explore our with curious look. Every challenge, every test, give our best. Get to the place, we are flying to the stars with heart so bright and mind so ready. As a lot of way, knowledge is the key. Whether can fly, whether can fly.